Trouble under the hood leading you to the junkyard? Before you do this, watch this. Has your vehicle been diagnosed with a cracked block, or have you found a leak in your radiator? Typically that's horrible news, right? BlueDevil Radiator Block Sealer is an easy-to-use, do-it-yourself formula that will repair and seal leaks in your radiator or engine block. BlueDevil does not contain solid or fibrous materials and will not clog or harm your cooling systems. It will bond to plastic, cast iron, aluminum, alloy, or metal. And get this, it's safe to use with gasoline or diesel engines, and it's guaranteed. It's a permanent fix to get you back on the road. Look, we know you're not stupid. The hard part repair is always going to be your best option for this kind of work and repair. However, when your vehicle just isn't worth that kind of investment, you got to reach for BlueDevil Radiator and Block Sealer as a safe alternative solution. For complete installation instructions, check out our YouTube channel or get all the information you need in one place over at GoBDP.com.